All right, so you've now completed yours and you're ready to do the presentations and look at what everybody else had. So after I've hit complete, I can scroll down. You'll see I put some in here so you guys can actually see some of them. So I could click on one of them. And I'd watch the thing the whole way through. And then I'm able to, oh, does it not let me? And then it'll actually go to the next one. Okay, you get the idea. So your first job is to go all the way through and watch all the presentations, and please make note of the ones that you're enjoying and why, because you are going to be doing a reflection today, which I'll make a separate screencast for, and you're going to be sharing about that. So your job is to watch everybody's presentation today. Good luck and enjoy it. They're fun to watch.